sa ulo. At matapos ang matagal na hinagpis, Dr. J, a big one, and deserving nitong Pilipinas dito. Hindi sumuko, hindi nagpa-apekto sa kung ano nangyari kahapon, and they played big. Ito sinasabi natin, ito ang team na talagang maipagmamalaki mo.
We really improved our field goal percentage. We're shooting below 30%, but for the game we shot 40%. So we really shot well in the second half. And we were given 29 free throws, making 22. So yung advantage natin dyan was 8 points. We out-rebounded them. I think, yes, we did by 8 rebounds. They committed more turnovers by 4. They committed more fouls. They had more assists. Pero nung nawala si Wang Ming, medyo nag-iba na laro nila. We had so many steals. We had 10. Chino, no? And those, if we only had the points of turnovers, marami tayong nagawa dyan.
Marami tayong mga open layups, no, coming from the steals. And of course, the forced turnovers ng ating pong Team Philippines. Pero, again, pagbabalikan ho natin to, this was a total team effort. GB Alapag, ignited yung ating run. Nando si Asitaw Labao, provided the muscle. Nando si Mick Vinicino, ipinasok nila.
Kelly
Yung
Williams.
Kelly Williams, talagang all-out hustle. Kirby Raimundo. Ayan, no, makikita nyo yung ating point spread. Yung ating pagtutulungan. Kirby Raimundo, si Mark Agiwa did an excellent job kahit nabukol-bukol yung tira niya noong una. Again, ang importante, you cannot really keep a good scorer down. Si Dondon Ontiveros,
He's hustle also. He's 4 free throws and then he's hustle.
And baka may namimiss pa tayo dito.
Well, the 4 points of JJ Heltaban.
Yeah,
although he missed a couple of shots later on, the 4 points to start off the fourth quarter was really big. But the thing that won the game for us, Chino, was defense. They only scored 25 points in the second half against our team.
Ano yung sabi natin kanina habang nakikita po natin ang Tokushima Municipal Hall? Yan po ang ating game leader, si
Williams at 9 rebounds.
Yung mga hustle points niya, yung mga hustle na ginawa niya, yun ang hindi ho natin nakikita. At yung steals na ito na tatlo ni Mark Agiwa, wala tayong nasusupalpal dahil ang lalaki ng mga kalaban natin. But again, a great game para sa Pilipinas. Importante pa yung bukas, Dr. J. Pero bigyan natin ng credit yung ating team for making that mighty stand. Napakahirap ng test na ito. Isang pagkakamali, pwedeng ikinamatay na natin. Pero hindi po sumuko ang Team Pilipinas. As you take a look at the second half highlights, importante, Dr. J, sabi natin sa umpisa kanina, just believe. And we continue to believe in this Team Philippines. Iiwanan namin kayo ni Dr. J ng mga images po ng glorious second half ng Philippines. Ito ang isa sa mga open layers natin translated sa layup nitong si Jimmy Alapag, and he was all heart in this one, nailing the big shots. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Ang sarap ng pakiramdam sa linggong ito. Oh, walang pasok bukas. Yung mga hindi pa pumapasok. At yan po ang mighty stand ng Philippines kontra sa mighty China dito sa nagaganap na FIBA Asia in Tokushima, Japan.